It is Thursday, January 8th. And if you'll notice, I found some very bright orange lipstick today, but I kind of like it. It's kind of anyway, I think it's working, so I won't look at my teeth to see if they're orange or not. Just know that I heard you and I agree with you, and I'm glad to have some lipstick on. Okay, we got in a new yarn from Berroco, and it's called Vintage Baby Handpaint. And we have 4 colorways, and they're all white, creamy white, with a speckledy combo to go with it. And so Chrissy and I were searching, and we found this adorable sweater with a tiny little bit of Fair Isle with the hat, tiny little bit of Fair Isle. And it is the Elli cardigan and hat. It is a $6 pattern on Ravelry. We can sell it to you. It goes from a 3-month to a 24-month, and 400 yards to 550 yards. So that would be 3 skeins of the vintage, which is $10.95 a skein. So 3 to 4 of these, and only 1 of the complement. So this is one color combo that I love. I think that is so cute. Just darling. Then I like this one. This is kind of an orangey gold, tiny splashes of pink or red and blue, and I put the gold with it. I like it. I think it looks very happy. What a great baby present, really. Kind of fast, not super expensive. The 220 is this is Cascade 220 Sport, Superwash Sport, and it is $7.75, and these are $10.95, so 11 and 8, it's $19. And then you need 3 of these, 3 or 4 of these, and 1 of these. So look at this. I love this periwinkle and the blue and the yellow. Love that one. And of course, we got to have a girly one. So this is pink and peach and yellow, and I paired it with some pink. So I think this is a great baby present. So if you're looking to knit something for babies, put it in your gift closet and have it ready for the next baby shower. I gotcha. It's all good. I want to remind you that this coming Saturday is Allison's hat class. Learn how to knit in the round. If you have not knit in the round on circular needles and connected in the round, this is the class you want. Knitting in the round is fabulous. It's great for sweaters all the way around. It's great for mitts. It's great for socks. Knitting in the round is a skill that you need. So Saturday, it's 2 Saturdays in a row. One is this Saturday, the 10th, from 10 to 12, and then it's the following Saturday, the 17th, from 10 to 12. That's the hat class, knitting in the round. She only has 4 spaces, so don't miss out. I think you can register online. Is it online, Chrissy? Nope. Okay, call us. It's not online yet, but call us because we just sent our class schedule out yesterday or the day before. So just want to keep those classes coming and going, right? Perfect. All right, don't forget the Elli cardigan and hat. I might have to do that. I don't have any little babies anymore, but sure looks cute and fun. All right, keep going on your unfinished projects, right? We are gathering, Chrissy's Gnome class is Sunday. It's filling up. Don't let it get away from you. Gnomes for Chrissy are like bread and butter. She just loves creating them, and she needs lots of people to come and do it with her. So come sign up. All right.
We've got a couple coming as their Valentine's surprise.
Oh, did they sign up today?
Yeah.
So a husband and wife, the husband came in today, and he saw the note. We had it in the window, actually. And so he came in and he decided to get it for his wife and himself. So they're coming on Sunday to make a gnome. So how many, that only leaves us 2 slots?
That's 3 people. So.
Oh, okay. So we have 3 slots maybe left, okay? All right, it'll be fun. Don't miss it. I think that's all I've got. Tomorrow's Friday, Friday. I think it's going to be a little wet and rainy for the next few days, but warm, so no complaints. I think that's all I have. All right, have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.